Hello, beautiful people. I am coming to you with a small wish haul. I am missing so much stuff, and it says delivered, and I never got it. So there's another house in my neighborhood that has the same numbers, but in a different street, and something tells me they're getting everything because I got some of their wish stuff, and I brought it over. Not quite sure they're doing the same. So, anywho, but yeah, I'm missing my order status says that I have 14 things that were delivered and they never came. So you guys figure that one out. All right, so let's begin. This was, let me read the description. It says beads. Oh, good. I've been waiting. I ordered beads to make my pens. So I always order the large hole beads. Oh, yay! And I got them. I think I got a few of these. Yeah, I did. I got 3. Now look at these. Aren't these just, I can't figure this out. Wait, if I go this way, okay. If you just look at how pretty these are, they kind of look like Murano beads. Look at that. So pretty. So I got 3 of these. And I think they're pretty much all the same color, but these are really pretty, and they're glass. They're not plastic, so very happy with that. And that was, let me see, $1 and $1 shipping. So that was pretty good. Okay, let's see what this one says. Pendant. Okay, I don't remember ordering a pendant, but when I do order pendant, it's usually for my purse charms. Okay. Oh, I was waiting for these too, for my purse charms. When I put a dangle on them, and they have the lobster claw clasp. And hold on, and look how pretty. It's so easy just to put these on the top. I always like to finish them off with like a little hanging element, something like that. And these come in all sorts of colors. Or I could also put these on my beaded pen. So very happy. And that was $1 and $1 shipping. Okay. Oh, I ordered so much from Joom. I ordered a lot of packages from Joom, a lot of things for my crafts, so hopefully my neighbors enjoy them. I'm kidding. Hoping that they get here. Okay, now these were $2 and $2 shipping, so these came to $4. And these are those cuff bracelets that you could take the beads off the end, and you could put the large hole beads on them. So I got some the other day, and Marianne was trying to open them and they wouldn't open. So I think they were fused on. So I think I bought the wrong one. Sorry for all the crinkling. So for $4 you get let's see, you get 5, right? Okay. And what I am going to do is, hopefully these will come off, unlike the, oh yay, they come off. So, you know, you put those round hole beads around here, kind of like the same beads I use for the beaded pens. And I will be making these as well for gifting or for selling at my craft fair. So for 5, I got 5 for $4, so it's a little under $1 a piece. So that's not bad, and these are heavy. They're substantial. I think I'll make a couple today. I think that's what I'll do for crafting. I have a friend coming over from work who I adore. Hey, Julie! And Marianne is going to stop by, and of course, Mama Anita. My husband can't. He's got to work so long today. So okay. All right, hoping everyone had a glorious, or is having a glorious Wednesday. I know it's Wednesday because it's garbage day. Bye, guys.